Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In my last video I promised you guys that I'm going to take a full video of my attic and show you how far the job has been on, how far we've done some stuff on the attic. Yes, I'm on my way of saving my energy bills this summer, this winter rather. So we are actually we're in fall season, but in Chicago it's actually getting cold. So I'm so happy that we found someone who is willing to help us, insulate this attic because we've been paying really way high on our electric bill and our gas bill. So here I am, so excited. The attic is almost all done. Look at the insulation. It's almost done, and we still have some that we've not opened at all, so this is how far we've been on this job, so like I said, we all should be very smart at what we're spending our money on, so paying too high on electric bill is really not healthy at all, you know guys. Look at this attic. I mean, it's huge, it's massive. Yes, this is the area where we've not really covered yet. So my guy promised that he's coming back to get it. It's, yeah, this stuff here, I don't know what it is. He said it could be the chimney or something, I don't know, but we are going to figure out how best we can fix that stuff. So guys, my plan is to actually after the installation of this attic, I don't know, maybe in the future we can get a room and a bedroom and a living room. Hey guys, can get a bedroom and a living room, even put up a restroom up here so it can serve as another confinement, a crib for someone, peaceful. So guys, yeah, I mean, I need us to consider going and checking your attic in case if there is a place that is kind of open, sometimes by the roof anything can happen. Thank you guys, bye.